So you can see we have migrate the backup file. This one you can see 159 MB, and it has been migrated on 1 hour ago. So right now we need to restore on this website. So click the three dot menu and you can see here the restore option. So right now we have restored on this website. So one more I will check you. You can see here this is completely different page. So let's click the restore. Unavailable. You can see here we need to purchase some plugin. So I have already purchased a plugin. So just click on upload and choose file. So I'm going my folder is stock, then WordPress, then plugins and unlimited extension, then install now. And active. So right now here the two plugin is activate. First the all-in-one WP migration and the second one is all-in-one WP migration unlimited extension. You can see here. So one more, go the backup page and click the three dot menu, then click the restore option, and you can see right now this is loading. And click the proceed button. Take a while, just a little bit. %30 down, 80% down. %36, 40%. $68, almost done. %86. Also, please release my milestone. So you can see here our site has been completely imported on this server. So click the finish button and go the main page. Just refresh this page and you can see the complete website is migrate on this server. Okay, then you can see here this is complete site. Here the same page, you can see the Google location. So in this way you can migrate your website to your own server. Thank you.